Tina, and today I'm going to show you how to tone up those arms. We will be working on our shoulders, our biceps, and our triceps using a dumbbell. And if you don't have a dumbbell, don't you worry, there's always a hack. You can make your own weights using plastic bags and fill it up with sand or water bottles. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Bring the dumbbells up to your chest and then to the side. Lift the weights to the side to make a V shape. Keep a slight bend in your knees, and this will work out your shoulders. Start off with the dumbbells in front of you with a slight bend in your knees. Bring the dumbbells up to your chest and extend your arms behind you. This will definitely get your triceps working. Bring your arms in front of you and then open the elbows outwards. Now push the dumbbells up over your head and repeat. Hold the dumbbell over your head and then drop the weight down to the back of your neck. Create a right angle at your elbows, and this will work out your triceps. Bring one arm in front of you and one to the side to create a right angle at both the shoulders. Avoid using the momentum by using your arm muscles. You will definitely feel a burn in your shoulders. Keep a slight bend in your knee and bring your dumbbells down in front of you. Now lift them up on both the sides and feel your shoulders working. Once again, don't use the momentum of your arms to bring it up. Use your shoulder muscles only. Do all these exercises for 12 reps and do this entire routine 2 times through. You will feel the burn in your arms, and if you are already feeling it, then like this video, comment, and share it with your friends. And stay tuned for more Hauterfly fitness videos just like this. Until next time, bye!